So the first thing I'm going to do is make a feather, and then I'm going to make the stem. Then I'm going to stop and restart. So what we do is we want to hide our stops and starts right there. So we're going to make a feather, and we're going to backtrack on the stem, make another feather, and this is where the bump happens. So I backtracked right here twice, and I stop about here, and I make a new feather. So it's over, bump, bump, back, over, bump, bump, back, over, bump, bump. So bump, bump means backtrack. Back, over. Now, to restart on the other side, the way you write your name is the way you're going to do the feathers. If you're trying to go backwards, it's all going to fall apart. So we're gonna start here and go over, bump, bump, back, over, and just keep doing that. If you find yourself going through the body of the feather twice like this, that's not the way you want to do it. Although you can backtrack every spine of the feather, but I prefer to kind of look like a hand quilter, so I travel on the stem. So bump, bump, back, over.